Listen, I want that 18 inches. Hold on. And I'm gonna use my own coupon code too. Listen. Well, hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl RaShon. So today's video is brought to you by BeautyForever. They're kind of sending me another unit to review for you guys. And y'all know it's still Wigmas, so we have another Wig Bay holiday slate to share with you today. Okay, I got the bars. Check out my girl, Carla. Okay, listen, first of all, this is in front of the window getting that natural glow, and I am here for it. If y'all don't know, I love me a window pic, okay? If I can just get rid of all these lights and stand in front of a window all day and share my essence, okay, listen. So go ahead, Carla. Okay, so Carla says her favorite holiday unit is a half wig. When she first got her in the mail, she was afraid of the color, but now she is loving it. It's convenient and it complements her skin tone better than she thought. Happy holidays. Listen, I love this, y'all. Carla did what I tell y'all to do all the time in the comments, which is step outside the box and try a different color. You may surprise yourself. It's all about the attitude and how you carried it, and sis carried it. She stepped in front of that window and realized, I look good. So make sure y'all show Carla some love down below. I'm sure she will appreciate it. Before we get into my easy breezy look that I got going on right now, make sure if you're new to the channel, you go ahead and subscribe and smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. Also give this video a thumbs up if you want to see more videos like this in the future. Let's go.
Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. And I can promise Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna hang out with my friends and family, making angels in the sand, you and me. Doesn't matter, it's Christmas in my heart. Santa's coming to visit. No, he wouldn't miss this in Christmas times. Oh, and the sunset is just getting better on a blanket with the skyline painted in blue. Ooh, yeah, that's what we do. Doesn't matter if the snow is falling or the windows in the rain is pouring, it will always be Christmas in my heart. But this year I wanna
Okay, so like I said, this unit comes to us from BeautyForever. This is their deep wave lace front unit. All the specs that I got for my unit are right here on the screen, so if you want to check it out for yourself, you definitely can do that. Now, I did get the 16-inch for my unit, and before you ask, it's 16 inches stretched. So if you plan on getting a 14-inch, it's more than likely going to be like, you know, a bob look, okay? So be mindful of that when you are trying to choose what length you want for your unit. Curly, I would say this is about 12 inches on me, okay? At 5'6" is hitting pretty much just past my shoulders. The unit does give off a natural density. I'm pretty sure this is 150% density, but you know, if I'm wrong, I'll put it down below. So if you're looking for, you know, a thicker density, you may have to try something else, or you can use my little trick of teasing the curls and giving a fuller look. I kind of wish I would have got a longer unit now, because it does have some layers in the unit. Probably should have gotten like the 18 or the 20 inch, probably the 18 inch, to give me a fuller look around this area, to kind of bring it out, you know, like right in here. You know what I'm saying? I finally restocked on my tried and true, okay, Shea Moisture Frizz Free Curl Mousse. Y'all know I was swearing by this a couple months ago, and I'm still swearing by it, because y'all see the curls, okay? Yep, bing bing. You see how we looking? We looking good. Okay, that's all thanks to this one product. Get you right. You hear me? Now, initially I was going to have my hairline out and kind of do like a half up, half down, but then as I started to diffuse the unit, it kind of did this little situation here, and I was kind of feeling it. It's definitely giving me, what's her name? The chick from Girlfriends with the real curly, messy hair. Let's see, there's Joan, Maya, Tony. What's the one, the real crazy one? I can't think of her name right now. Let me know down below, because I can't think of it. Joan, Maya, Tony, Lynn. Booyah. How Lynn will have her hair like super messy, but hers was a lot longer, so you know, there's that. But I'm really liking how this is looking on me. I feel like it's a very natural type of look. If I wanted to do like a little bang situation, I was tempted to cut the bang right up in here, y'all. I was tempted to cut that bang right up over there. I decided to leave her alone and just, you know, kind of have the hair fall how she fell, and I like it. Okay, I like it. I don't feel like I needed a defined part for this look. I feel like I just wanted to give a natural type of look. Not everybody who has curly hair has a defined part. They just kind of let their hair do what it does, and that's kind of what I feel like this unit did for me. Okay, I really do like it. That 18 inches is calling me. Listen, I want that 18 inches. Hold on. And I'm gonna use my own coupon code too. Listen. I'm trying to save coin too. Listen. Okay, so what do y'all think about this one? Is it giving something? Is it giving what I'm hoping that it's giving? Is it a bohemian look? Is that what I'm going for? I don't know. The chunky sweater and the little dress and the gold jewelry, I'm kind of feeling like a little, ooh. I don't know what that was, but I'm gonna put my glasses on, because I ain't check my lace or nothing. I do like how this looks on me. I don't like these glasses though. But I can see, so that's all that matters. But that's all I got for you guys today. Shout out one more time to BeautyForever Hair for sending me this unit. I really appreciate it. I will put the direct link as well as my specs down below, so if you guys want to check it out, you can. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video. Also smash the notification bell so you don't miss anything else coming up. I love you guys so much, and I will see you next time. Bye.